today with Al-Khidmat Foundation Pakistan. The suffering of families in Gaza is not all about displacement and the painful loss of loved ones. However, it extends even beyond, to include thirst, hunger, winter's cold, and its heavy rain that floods the tents of families in Gaza. Khidmat Foundation Pakistan decided to help them with the most essential need, which is drinking water. The Khidmat Foundation Pakistan team have made it to Al-Basma shelter in the central Gaza Strip in order to begin providing the families with clean and healthy drinking water, aiming to minimize their daily suffering. Thanks for the donors, and we really appreciate your effort and giving.